In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube freezing issues on Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome, navigate to the search bar, and type YouTube to open the website. Once the homepage loads, I head over to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down options, I select Settings. Inside the Settings page, I scroll down the left sidebar menu and click on System. Here, under the System options, I look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available. I toggle the switch off, and then click on the Relaunch button to restart Google Chrome so the changes take effect. Once the browser opens again, I navigate back to the Settings menu on the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, I click on Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window that appears, I check the time range to make sure All Time is selected, and then I click on the Delete Data button to clear out cached files and data that might be causing freezing issues. Next, I scroll down the left sidebar menu again and click on Reset Settings. I then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirm by clicking the Reset Settings button. After resetting the settings, I open a new tab and go back to YouTube. To check if extensions are causing any conflicts, I click on the three dots menu in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Here, I review all installed extensions, such as ad blockers or security tools, and toggle them off to see if disabling them resolves the issue. Finally, I close the Extensions tab, click on the three dots menu again, and choose New Incognito window. In the Incognito window, I search for YouTube, open the site, and click Sign In. I enter my email address, click Next, enter my password, and sign in. Testing YouTube in incognito mode helps confirm if your browsing data or extensions were causing the video freezing issues. That is how you can easily fix YouTube freezing on Google Chrome. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.